Yeah, so my name's Celestine and I'm a graphic designer.
Amazing. And what brings you here today then?
Today we've come for the Academy dinner, so we're looking to just network with a few people and enjoy the evening.
Amazing. So you're on the academy.
Yes.
Having fun.
Academy's been amazing so far. We've been on for 4 months and yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. So we've got a rent to essay that we're managing now and we're in the process of taking on a second one, and who knows who we might be connecting with to get another one.
Amazing. And what do you think the best part is about the academy?
The best part about the Academy, wow. I feel like there's actually too much. I would probably say the mentoring, the access to unlimited mentoring and the expertise of the mentors as well. I think they're absolutely amazing. And the fact that we can contact them almost 24 hours a day is, yeah, it's absolutely brilliant.
Tell me about Samuel. Tell me what's like working with
Working with Samuel, I feel like I love the fact that he is a believer. He believes in Jesus Christ the same as I do. And so we have similar visions and stuff like that. And I think he's really for his students. He really encourages us. He really, just pours into us in every way that he can, really. So, yeah.
Amazing. What's the energy like?
We just got here right now, but...
Like at his courses, at his crash courses.
Oh, okay, yeah. Definitely, the energy in the room is like, it's always high energy. Everyone is here for the same goal to, do well in property. And so, yeah, because everyone's got the same goal, it just means that everyone in the room is encouraging each other and Samuel's encouraging us. And yeah, it's just a great atmosphere.
As someone who was thinking about getting involved with the crash course, what would you say to them?
If someone was thinking about getting involved in a crash course, I would say, what have you got to lose? It's only £1. Do you know what I mean? Just come, pay your quick £1, and you're going to enjoy it. You're going to learn. And that's it. Just see where it goes from there.